How to add Google domain to Wix website in 2023. It's a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to log in with your Wix account. Under here, you need to go to the settings. And then once you click the settings, go to domains. Once you click this one, all you have to do is to fill in some possible names that you wanted for your domain. For example, I am going Andy Brook 10, and let's see if it's available or not. So once you click, all you have to do is click Let's Go to see if this name is available for your domain. So this is available, and you can also click that .com, that tech, that blog, everything is up to you. Now, once you're sure with your name, all you have to do is to click Get It. Now, when you click this one, it will take you directly to Upgrade Now. And in this area, you can see that you need to upgrade your site with a premium plan. So you can click with VIP Unlimited, Combo, or Connect Domain. Since this is just a tutorial, so I want to click Connect Domain for $4 a month. You can pay or select a billing cycle, monthly, yearly, or 2 years. Now, once you click that, it will take you to your payment providers. So you can see we have here Visa and PayPal and other payment methods. So when you click the submit purchase, then you can get your Google domain. Thank you so much for watching.